Hi, my name is Jack McLaughlin, and I am the original and only owner of this classic 1972 Datsun 240Z. This is a two-door coupe, fully automatic. Now, looking at the front, we have the original Z-hood emblem, original bumper, chrome wiper blades, a fiberglass front air dam, LED lights, and fog lights. The color of the car is pewter metallic. And as we approach the driver's side, notice the original Datsun emblems, color-coordinated door bumper guards, color-coordinated swivel mirrors, and light gray tinted windows. The interior has original black bucket seats, new console, original wood grain steering wheel, aftermarket CD stereo and radio, new door panels, and carpeting. Now, the first time I saw a Datsun 240Z was in the spring of 1972. It was love at first sight. I knew I would be the owner of my own 240Z, and so I started saving for a down payment immediately. Several months later, I signed the purchase agreement and drove off the lot of a very proud owner. It was the first new car I have ever purchased, even to this day. I still have the original purchase and payoff agreements. This car was orange when I purchased it. As you can see, the fuel cap has been chromed, which adds to the accent of the whole car with the pewter gray. The hatch has all new weather rubber seals, chrome hinges, and a chrome hatch strut. The deck has been fully refurbished. I added some aftermarket 16-inch TSW wheels, and also added 4 Z emblems to all the wheels as a personal Z touch. So let's start her up and see what she sounds like. The engine is a Nissan L24 4-stroke spark ignition with 2 SU carburetors, naturally aspired, single overhead cam. This engine has been completely restored with original components, many of which have been chromed to give it a great look. This car has served me well over the years with not any major problems, and I want to thank all of my people who have given me accolades over the years and for the show awards that I've won with my Z. So this is my Z, and thanks for watching and happy driving.